This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to update storage settings now. First, confirm your Samsung model and Android version so you pick the right tools. Backup important files to cloud or a PC. Do that before changing partitions or moving apps. Make sure battery is above 50% and you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then open Settings and go to Device Care or Storage to begin. This ensures safe, uninterrupted changes and lets you check current storage usage at a glance. Once you're in storage, use the analyzer to identify large files and heavy apps so you know what to remove or move. Move photos, videos, and downloads to a micro SD card or cloud. Selectively transfer folders rather than everything to keep needed items local. Clear app caches and uninstall unused apps. For system apps, use disable rather than remove when necessary. Make sure to verify moved files open correctly and reboot after major removals to refresh system storage reporting. To expand usable storage, adopt your micro SD as internal storage if your Samsung supports it. This encrypts the card and extends app storage, but note it ties data to this device. Once moved, verify file integrity and adjust backup paths in gallery and app settings. Finally, reboot and check free space reports. If you encounter errors or apps fail to install, reformat the SD card and restore from backup, or remove and reinsert the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.